Go home happy with the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.